Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fusion speakers. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a panel removal tool, a screwdriver set, and your new speakers. Most Ford Fusions use 6½ inch or 6 by 8 inch speakers. Before you begin, always disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. This prevents any electrical issues while you are working on your vehicle's audio system. Now, let's remove the door panel. Start by carefully locating and removing any screws hidden behind trim pieces, often found in the door handle or armrest. Use your panel removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the clips. Once loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Set the door panel aside in a safe place to avoid any damage. With the door panel removed, you can now access the old speaker. Typically, the speaker is held in place by 3 or 4 screws. Unscrew these, then carefully disconnect the speaker wire harness. Now, take your new speaker. Connect the wire harness to the new speaker, ensuring a secure connection. Then, align the new speaker with the mounting holes and screw it firmly into place. Make sure it's snug. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel with its clips and firmly press it back into place until all clips are secure. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces you removed earlier. Once the door panel is fully reassembled, reconnect the negative battery terminal and test your brand new speakers to enjoy improved sound quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.